This is an Entry 1 Functional Skills Maths paper from Open Awards. It is split into two parts. In the first part you can't use a calculator, but you can in the second part. This is the first part. Question 1. Jo plants 8 packets of seeds. She has 7 more to plant. How many will she have planted in total? Show your workings. So she has planted 8 packets of seeds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And she has 7 more to plant. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So notice how it was 8 here. I did 2 more. So we go 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 7 and 8 equal 15. Mary needs to bake 18 biscuits. She has baked 12 biscuits. How many more biscuits does she need to bake? Show your workings. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. That's how many she needs to bake in total. She has baked 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. What's left is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 18 take away 12 equals 6. Put the numbers in order, starting with the smallest. So we've got 15, 18, 19, 14, 13, 11. They are all greater than 10. So after 10 comes 11. Then we have 12, which isn't here, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, none of them are here, then 18, 19. How can you work out 11 take away 8? Tick the correct answer. So take away, the symbol for that is this, the minus symbol. So it's 11 take away 8. Where is that? That's this option here. And this is the end of the first part. We'll now look at the second part, where you can use a calculator. Zainab uses 1 tea bag each day. How many tea bags will she need for 2 weeks? So in 1 week there are 7 days, from Monday to Sunday. So in 2 weeks there will be 7 and 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that is 10, 14 days. 14 days in 2 weeks. And she uses 1 tea bag each day. So that will be 14 tea bags. Write the value of the coin below, including the correct money symbol. So this is £2. Pound symbol in front of the 2. Kimi has counted the number of recycled items. Tin cans, 9. Plastic bottles, 3. Newspapers, 7. How many items are there in total? So, 7 and 3, they make 10. They are what we call number bonds. So these pairs of numbers which add up to 10. So 3 and 7, 5 and 5, 6 and 4, 9 and 1. It's very useful to know this by heart because it helps with so many other topics in maths. Now we've got 10, we're going to add 9 to that. So 10 add 9, that gives us 19. So there are 19 items in total. Show the number of each item on the block diagram below. So we've got tin cans, plastic bottles and newspapers like we had here. So tin cans we've got 9. So we're going to need to shade 9 of these boxes. So tin cans, that is here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See, we've gone up to 9. Now we've got the plastic bottles, and it is 3 of them. So we're going to shade 3 boxes starting from the bottom. 1, 2, 3. And newspapers, that is 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's gone up to 7. You could just color them in as well if you like. Here are Zainab's kitchen shelves. Circle the correct option. The bread is on the right of the cake, on the left of the cake, in front of the cake, behind the cake. So bread is here, and here is the cake. So that's the right of the cake, that's the left of the cake. So bread is on the right of the cake. Which item is the heaviest? Tick the item. So we've got the first item, 4 kilograms. Second one, 5 kilograms. So 5 kilograms, that's more than 4. Now we have 2 kilograms. That is less than 4 or 5. And then we have 7 kilograms. 7 is 7 kilograms. That's the heaviest of them all. because 7 is greater than 2, then 4, then 5. Take the biscuit that is in the shape of a triangle. So triangle that looks like and probably sounds like 3. So it has 3 sides. The shape has 3 sides and 3 angles. So that's this one here. Mary needs a baking tray to bake 9 biscuits. She wants to use the smallest baking tray that can fit 9 biscuits. Tick the baking tray she should use. So looking at tray A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 biscuits can fit in there, and even more actually. Looking at tray B, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 biscuits only, so not 9. 9 can't fit in there. So B is not one of the options that we are after. A probably is going to be, but let's have a look. Now C, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Only 6 biscuits can fit in there, so C is not what we're after. Looking at D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 biscuits can fit in there, in both D and A. But the criteria is that we need to find the smallest baking tray that can fit 9 biscuits. So which one is the smallest out of A and D? That is D, as you can see. In D, only 9 biscuits can fit, whereas in A, you can fit even more. Like here, for example. So I'm going to tick D. Fred wants to have his shopping delivered. He wants to choose the cheapest delivery slot. So we've got slot 1, £8, slot 2, £6, slot 3, £10, slot 4, £12, slot 5, £9, slot 6, £11, slot 7, £7. Which delivery slot should he choose? So which one of these numbers is the lowest? So got again 8, 6, 10, 12, 9, 11. So it looks like 6 is the smallest number out of them all. Double checking, and that is correct. So we're going to say slot 2. Jessica has bought some shopping. Draw lines to show where to put the eggs and the coffee. So bread on the middle shelf, we've got an arrow for that. Eggs under the bread, so under that it will be here. So we're going to say eggs will go here. And coffee above the bread. So here is the bread, then coffee will go above that, so it's going to go up there. Tick the clock that shows 7 o'clock. So we're looking for the short hand to be pointing at 7 and the long hand at 12. So looking at this, long hand is at 12, but the short hand is at 11. So that's 11 o'clock. Looking at the next one, we've got the short hand after 8. So that is not 7 o'clock. Looking at this one, we've got the short hand, the hours hand pointing at 7, and the long hand, the minutes hand, is pointing at 12. So that is 7 o'clock. Final option, that is about 6 o'clock. So it's not the correct one. Joe has these packets of seeds. Record the number of seed packets in the tally chart below. The first one has been done for you. So carrots, we've got 3 of them that has been done. So there is 1, 2, 3. Next one is peas. Let's see how many we've got. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tomatoes, we've got 1, 2, 3 of them. So 1, 2, 3. Tallies. Onions, got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 trees in the garden. They are all different heights. Put the trees in order of height in the table below. Start with the shortest tree. So which one is the shortest of them all? That looks like E. As you can see, that's the shortest of them all. Next comes D. As you can see, the rest of them are taller than D, apart from E, of course. And then next one is B. After that is A. And finally, we have C, which is the tallest of them all. Where is the police station on the diagram? Tick one answer. So here is the police station. Is it to the left of the fire station? The left of the fire station. So here is fire station. That's the right of the fire station. That's the left of the fire station. So this side, that's correct. So the police station is to the left of the fire station. So that is the correct option. If you look at option 2, to the right of the train station, where is the train station? There it is. That would be the right of the train station, which isn't the case. To the right of the fire station. So here is the fire station. That's the right of the fire station, which isn't the case again. To the left of the bank. Again, that's the left of the bank, and that's not the case. So the first one is the only correct option. How many cans of cola are there? So let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. and this is the end of the paper.